December's liftoff of a rocket carrying MarsPathfinder launched a new era in space exploration. Not only did it mark a return to Mars for the first time in 2 decades, it heralded the success of a new NASA mindset.
President Clinton said he wants NASA to cost less and do more for the American people, and faster, better, cheaper seems to be working.
One of the main objectives of Pathfinder was to prove that we could go to Mars in a short time period with a very low cost.
And still establish a science station complete with computer-driven rover. Both are capable of conducting experiments and taking pictures.
Pathfinder is more than a technology mission. It's a kind of scientific hors d'oeuvre to whet the world's appetite for more Mars exploration. NASA has 9 more trips planned to the Red Planet between now and 2005.
One way NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California has sparked interest in Mars, a deal with a major toy company.
Mom, how about this one?
Mattel Hot Wheels has created a Pathfinder action pack. It's selling like hotcakes.
I think that's really good because kids might see it on TV and see that thing and say, hey, that's the same thing that they put on Mars.
And more things will be put on Mars. Some will even penetrate its surface. One, being developed in part at Hampton's NASA Langley Research Center, is called Mars Microprobe. It's supposed to be launched next year.
This is a much different mission than we've done in the past. The total spacecraft is no larger than a basketball, and it contains within it a small soil penetrator that will impact the surface, drive down with the objective of looking for water.
Even though he's an engineer, not a biologist, Bob Mitcheltree knows water is the key to finding life.
Our knowledge of Mars is that at some time in its history there was surface water, but the atmosphere is such now that there's no water left. And the question is, where is the water gone?
Future Mars missions in 2001 and 2003 will use an updated version of the rover, known as Rocky.
What we do is we just send the batch of commands, the computer's all on board, it's just like Sojourner.
Scientists say the results of all the Martian experiments could make a difference here, because billions of years ago, Mars was more like Earth. Why and how Mars climate and geology evolved could help us better understand our own environment. Kathy Barnsdorf, 13 News.